Alright, so this is my 1993 Ford F-150 XL. I got this the beginning of this year, like the beginning of the summer. I got it. My first vehicle. I like it. It needed some work. It was a Florida truck, so the frame is excellent. No rot on the truck at all. A few scrapes, needs a paint job and stuff. But overall, it's a nice truck. The body has 172,000 miles on it, and sorry, that's the gutters from the house. We just redid the house, so they put new gutters. So I'm taking those to scrap them. I know scrap metal now is not very high in price, but I mean, whatever. I'll clean up the yard, keep mom happy. So the motor is a this is the interior. The only bad problem about this was that the glove compartment wouldn't close, so I put this little red neck thing on it, red neck clip on it, keep it closed. It's got the vent windows too, pretty nice. So I'll show the engine. Now the engine only has like 90 something thousand on it. It came out of a 94 F-150, 94, 95, I don't remember what the dude told me. But yeah, it's electric. Fuel injection, EFI, which is nice. Just put this K&N cold air intake in it. It's a nice truck. I don't know if you can see in there, but I got these AutoZone air horns in there. But yeah, the bumpers, the grill, and the headlight covers were just trash. The dude decided to spray it with a white plastic dip. Oh, you can kind of still see it on this here. But he sprayed it with white plastic dip, so that was a bitch to get off. But I repainted these. Got all the plastic dip off, repainted them. Didn't do too good of a job. I wanted to get it back to the stock color, like the chrome that's on that Dodge, but I couldn't get it. I did a chrome spray paint with them, but I fucked up on the spray paint. So, and then I bought a new grill and I bought new headlights because they were shit. Bought new headlight covers. Bought this obviously, and the seat covers. 8-foot bed, 2 tanks. The only problem is this front tank doesn't show up when you do like the gas gauge. It shows up that there's nothing in it, but the rear one shows you up on the gas gauge, which is good. I did the same thing with the rear bumper I did with the front bumper. Fucked up more on that one than I did with the front one, but whatever. I got the tow package, which is nice. And as you've seen previously before this video, you saw the exhaust and what's on it, so I don't need to go through that. And the previous clip, my bad, not video. And yeah, so that's the 93.